What if I told you that one free app could completely change the way you analyze football matches and help you make smarter betting decisions? If you are serious about football betting, you need more than just luck. You need data, and that's exactly where Sofascore comes in. In today's video, I will show you the most powerful Sofascore features that professional bettors use to analyze matches, spot value, and improve their betting decisions. So let's get started.
The first feature of Sofascore is live match comments. This is like your virtual match viewer. Not every match is available on TV, but that does not mean you have to bet blindly. Sofascore's live comment section lets you see updates from fans watching the game in real time. Whether it is a Chinese league match or lower division game, people will share which team is dominating the game, which team is creating chances or struggling to create chances. This is incredibly useful for live betting because you can judge the flow of the game before placing your bet. Feature number 2 on SofaScore is referee and match information. If you enjoy betting on cards, this feature is a gold mine for you. SofaScore displays the referee's average yellow cards per match, giving you valuable insight into whether a game is likely to produce many bookings or not. So always check the referee before placing card bets. It can make a huge difference in your cards betting strategy. And if you want to check out our strategy on how to predict over 2.5 yellow cards in a game, then check out the link below in the video description of his team form and player ratings. Winning starts with understanding current form. SofaScore shows each team's recent performances, season ratings, and once the match begins, you will even see the highest rated players on the pitch. So this helps you quickly identify which team is performing better, even if you are not watching the game, just by following it on SofaScore. So reason why I said SofaScore is a must-have app for all football bettors. Another perfect SofaScore feature for you as a live bettor is Momentum Tracker, which is perfect for live betting. This is one of my favorite tools because I love live betting. It visually shows which team is applying pressure, creating tracks and controlling the game. So if you are betting live, this feature alone can help you spot opportunities before the odds change. Here is another important key feature: lineups and missing players. Never ignore team news. I repeat, never ignore team news. SofaScore provides predicted lineups, unavailable players, and squad information before the game kicks off. So missing key players can completely change the outcome of a match. So make sure to always check this section first before placing your bet, because the absence of one or two key players can greatly affect the game, either positively or negatively, depending on the betting option you are planning to go for. At number 6, we have advanced match statistics. Once the game begins, SofaScore provides everything you need for your football betting predictions: expected goals, possession, shots on target, fouls, attack maps, and first half or second half statistics. These numbers reveal which team is creating the better chances, not just who has scored already. Here is one of my best features when it comes to SofaScore analysis: the league standings section. The standings section is one of the best places to analyze goals scored by a team, goals conceded by a team, home and away performance, and current league form. This is the foundation of solid football analysis and helps you make more confident betting decisions, because the league position has a great impact on the game. The betting predictions and goal distribution section makes predicting over 1.5 or 2.5 goals even easier. SofaScore also suggests the most likely betting outcomes based on team form and recent performances or head-to-head records. You will also find a goal distribution chart showing when teams usually score and concede throughout the match. So if you like betting on first half goals, second half goals, or specific time intervals, this feature is incredibly valuable to you. So make sure to use it properly. The last but not the least section to help you master form analysis on SofaScore is voice notifications and live scores. This is a feature many people overlook. Enable text-to-speech notifications and SofaScore will announce goals and match updates automatically. No more opening multiple matches every minute. Simply activate it in settings and let the app keep you updated while you focus on your analysis or doing something else. So, with that being said, we can all conclude that SofaScore is much better than some other live score apps. It is a complete football analysis tool for most bettors. So whether you're analyzing team form, tracking momentum, checking referee statistics, or studying goal patterns, this app gives you everything you need to make smarter betting decisions. The more you learn to use these features, the better your football analysis will become. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss my latest football betting tips and form analysis tutorials. Also, let me know in the comments section, please, which Sofascore feature do you use the most, or which one are you excited to try first? You might have a feature I didn't mention in this video, but which is still of great use to us bettors. So do not keep the feature to yourself.